Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, April 28th. It's the 28th day of the month. It is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Tomorrow is Thursday. Let's take a look at our hundreds chart, and we're going to count by fives. 5, 10. Can you count with me? Do you know how to count by fives? I think you do. Why don't you do them with me? Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So counting by fives all the way to 100. Let's count by tens. Let's do it the Say 10 way today, okay? So this is 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens. Now, I'm going to practice counting up to 20 the Say 10 way. That was on our most recent assessment, and a lot of our kiddos struggled with that, so I think we'll add that to our mornings. So we're going to count by up to 20, so just to 20, the Say 10 way, okay? And so we start counting the regular way until we get to 10, and it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now is when we change. We say 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 2 tens. So now I have 2 tens. And if I were to keep going, it would sound like this. 2, 10, 1, 2, 10, 2, 2, 10, 3, 2, 10, 4, 2, 10, 5, 2, 10, 6, 2, 10, 7, 2, 10, 8, 2, 10, 9, 3 tens. So when you're counting the Say 10 way, you're counting your tens first and then your ones, okay? Let's go ahead and add another straw to our place value chart. And we know this giant bundle here is a bundle of 10 bundles of 10, which makes 100. So we have 100. This is a bundle of 10. So we have 110, 120, 130, 140. So we have 4 tens there. 40 is 4 tens. 100, 4 tens, that's 40. 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148. So one group of 100, 4 tens, and 8 ones for day 148. Jumping to our reading wall, we are working this week on what kinds of transportations people use for their jobs or help them to do their jobs. And we're looking specifically at a semi-truck or a big truck in our Story Trucks role this week. So looking at that, we are continuing to practice that U sound, that sound, mostly in the middle of words, but we hear it sometimes at the beginning of the words. You will not very often hear it at the end of a word, occasionally, but most of the time it's in the middle of the word and sometimes at the beginning of the word. We are listening for our amazing words this week of cabs, hall, headlight, steering wheel, trailers, and truckers. So you'll hear those words again today in your song today. All right, and then we will review again. Let me get this chair out of the way. Sorry, friends. We will review again our new words this week. So here's our new words. Those words are was. Can you say that, please? Was. Remember, this is one of those words you need to know what it looks like rather than what it sounds like, because the letters don't match with the sound of the word. So this word is was. Said, and what. Sometimes I like to do it this way, and we say what was said. have a question if we had a period at the end. All right, friends. So just a quick reminder. There are no Zoom meetings with Miss Wilcox today. No morning meeting, no small groups today. I am in meetings at the school today, so you will not be seeing me on Zoom today. So make sure you are active on Seesaw so you can get credit for being present for today. Also, because there's no morning meeting, we want to find out what happens next in our story of Freddie Fernordner. So today you're going to see a new activity in your Seesaw that says Freddie Fernordner. You'll see the book cover of the book, and that is just simply Mrs. Wilcox reading the next 2 chapters. So make sure you listen to that today. And then I'm going to ask you to make a prediction or a guess about what is going to happen next. There's already been so many things that happen, but I want you to take a guess on what you think is going to happen next to Freddie, Darla, Chipper, and also Mr. Chewy, because he's in there too. All right, kiddos, well, keep working hard today. Win groups, if you go to a win group, Mrs. Weber, Mrs. Lee, or Mrs. Wright, you will still attend those today. Otherwise, I will see everybody again tomorrow, Thursday, at our morning meeting. Can't wait to see you. Have a wonderful Wednesday.